Question for the house. What's one thing of mine, one tactic, strategy, approach, suggestion at a very practical level that you've taken from my work and applied in your business and it's worked? What's something you've done that has actually gotten you clients? Something I suggested that actually got you clients? I would love to know a little mini case study. I'd love to hear. It's we share so many things out on this internet, in our work, in our ebooks and courses, and we often never know. The loop is, of course, it's impossible to get a full feedback loop on these things, so we never really know how it's going. And has it actually helped, or has it just been nice ideas that people have heard and said, "Oh, that feels good to hear," but they haven't actually changed anything or done anything? So if you have taken something from my work, if you've received something that was again a tactical strategy, not just an idea, not just, oh, marketing can feel good, that's a nice thought, or niching is important, not something like that, but something specific you did that you could say, yes, I got a client or many clients from that idea. I'd love to hear. It would mean the world to me to know. um, you can put it in the comments below. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you around.